हेलो स्टूडेंट्स वेलकम। आज आम पढ़ा बेले ऑप्टिक्स। ओके, ऑप्टिक्स स्टार्ट करिया बेले हला ऑप्टिक्स कौन फर्स्ट जानिबा। ऑप्टिक्स इज ए ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स। ओके, ऑप्टिक्स इज ए ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स and in this chapter we will discuss the study of nature of production and propagation of light. Okay, basically all about light, study of all about light is known as optics. Okay, so in optics we'll study nature, production, propagation and properties of light. Okay, so in this chapter we'll discuss in generally nature, production, propagation, properties of light. And there are two branches of optics. Okay, one is geometrical optics or known as ray optics. Another part is wave optics. Okay, geometrical optics or ray optics, it is also known as what? Geometrical optics. And wave optics is also known as physical optics. Okay, wave optics is also known as what? Physical optics. In the chapter ray optics, we will discuss rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear propagation of light. Also, we will study laws of reflection or refraction of light. Okay, it also includes the formation of images, in mirrors. Okay, mirrors and lenses. Okay, it also includes what? Formation of images in mirrors and lenses. Also it includes aberration, optical images and working and designing of optical instruments. Also we will discuss the optical instruments in the chapter ray optics. Okay, ray optics represents tomorrow rectilinear propagation of light, laws of reflection, refraction, formation of images by lenses, mirrors and optical instruments. Okay, hello, or designing of optical instruments are actually discussed in ray optics. And in wave optics, okay, it includes wave nature of light. Okay, ଏଥିରେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ପଢ଼ିବା? Wave nature of life and different properties associated with it, like interference, which only can be explained by wave nature of light. Okay, diffraction, polarization, etc. in the wave optics. Okay, so first of all, in your optics first part includes the ray optics. Okay, totally we will discuss the ray optics, okay, in the first chapter. Okay, so let's start the ray optics. So in ray optics, first of all, let's discuss the behavior of light at the interface of two media. Okay, suppose we have two mediums. Suppose one is air medium or vacuum, another one is glass medium or anything else. जहाँ भी हो पहले गोटे एयर मीडियम गोटे ग्लास मीडियम कि अन्य कौन मीडियम हो बोले दुईटा मीडियम इंटरफेस जो लाइटा फॉल ऑफ हो लाइट पड़ो से आमर लाइट बिहेवियर कौन हम से विषय रे आम डिस्कशन करवा सो इन जनरल व्हेन a light falls on an interface in between two media, first of all we can observe that a portion of light is reflected back. Okay, a portion of light is reflected back. A portion of light gets transmitted, or we can say refracted. Okay, and some of energy or some of light is absorbed and some light is absorbed. Okay, so when a light incident intervening medium, okay, interface separating two media. Okay, whenever light falls on an interface separating two media, a part of the incident light, okay, turn back to the same medium known as reflection of light, and a portion gets transmitted in the second medium, that is known as refracted light, okay, or refracted ray, and a portion is absorbed. A portion is absorbed. Okay, play. So these are the different behavior of light at the interface of two media. Okay, before proceeding, let us discuss some of the definitions connected in usually used in optics. Okay, some definitions. Okay, let us discuss some definitions. So first definition, let us know what is light. Okay, what is light? Light in general, okay, light is a form of energy. Okay, light is a form of energy which produces in us the sensation of sight. Okay, है माने पिले लाइट होची पिले गोटे फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी, वन टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी. It produces in us the sensation of sight. Okay, that means by means of light we can see. है but अर्थात लाइट द्वारा पिले आम कौन करिपरिबा ना आम देखिपर है. लाइट हूँ गोटे एनर्जी पिले जी कौन करमको देखिबार साहाय्य करें कौन कहवा लाइट है. It is energy, it is a form of energy which produces sensation of sight. Okay, sensation of sight which produces sensation of sight is known as light. Okay, second term, source of light. Okay, source of light, a body which emits light. Any body which emits light is known as a source. Okay, it may be a point source or a extended one. Okay, and a source may be two kinds. Okay, one is self luminous. Okay, another one is non luminous. Okay, what are some which has light of its own, जार निजर आलोक अच्छी पिले ताको आम कौन कहवा सेल्फ लुमिनस लाइट, एंड व्हिच इज नॉन लुमिनस व्हिच डू नॉट पोजेस ए लाइट, जानी पारछन ना, एंड इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स ओनली लाइट. ओके, व्हिच ओनली कैन रिफ्लेक्ट्स और स्कैटर्स लाइट इन ऑल डायरेक्शन, व्हिच only reflects or scatters light in all directions. Okay, these are known as non-luminous light. Okay, next term comes medium. Okay, what is medium? A medium may be a substance. Okay, a medium may be a substance through which light propagates. Okay, that means it is substance through which light propagates anything maybe or tend to propagate. Okay, anything play any substance through which light propagates or tends to propagate, okay, or tries to propagate are known as medium. Okay, and medium may be again of three types, that is first is transparent. Okay, light can easily pass through them. Okay, the medium through which light can easily pass through are known as transparent, and another type is translucent. Okay, another type of medium is translucent. Okay, through which light partially propagates, through which light partially propagates. Okay, transparent mediums, you know, glass, water, okay, etc. are the transparent medium, whereas translucent mediums are paper, okay, ground, glass, okay, etc. These are the translucent medium. Another type of medium is opaque. Another type of medium is opaque. Okay, what is opaque medium? Through which light cannot propagate. Light cannot propagate. Next definition is ray. What is ray? Ray is a straight line path. Ray is straight line path along which light travels. Okay, ताको हम कौन कह पले ray. In general ray are marked by arrow mark. Okay पले गोटे straight line path जो रास्ता रे जीव पले सेटा को हम कौन कहबा पले ray कहबा. Next पले beam. हला a bunch of rays हला forms a beam. Okay, next is pencil. What is pencil? Okay, a narrow beam of ray. A narrow beam of rays are called a pencil or forms a pencil. Okay, रे पे जानी है गोटे मात्र जदि लाइट पे गला भाई आमको लगुच पे से टाइप डायग्रामेटिकल शो करवा दैट इज रे. गुड़ाए पे रे गोटे जगार अच्छा पे बंच ऑफ रेज नोन आज कौन बीम. एंड पेंसिल के से नैरो हो. ओके पे अल्प के रे पे गोटे जगार गोटे नैरो होना जो जाता है आम कौन कह पे है पेंसिल. एंड पेंसिल आर ऑफ three types. Okay, first is parallel. Okay, width remains same. Width remains same for parallel ray pencil. And another one is convergent pencil. Okay, convergent, in case of convergent pencil, width decreases as rays go forward. Okay, and another one is divergent. Okay, in case of divergent, width increases as rays go forward. Okay, rays forward को गले आगू गले जदि आम कौन हो पे है आमर पेनसिल width जो पे धीरे धीरे कमी कमी कि जाऊँगी, then this is known as convergent. And if okay, as we go forward the width gradually increases, then this is known as divergent pencil. Okay, so convergent pencil आउ गोटे रहा पे divergent pencil. Okay पे नेक्स्ट आम डिस्कस करवा पे रिफ्लेक्शन. व्हाट इज रिफ्लेक्शन सेटा आम डिस्कशन करवा. ओके सो पिले जदि आसिया पिले रिफ्लेक्शन को रिफ्लेक्शन इज ए प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लाइट बाय virtue of which light is sent back to the same medium from which it is coming, okay, after being obstructed by some polished medium or from a surface. ओके पिले अर्थात पिले गोटे सरफेस अच्छे पिले गोटे मीडियम गोटे सरफेस अच्छे दुटा सरफेस को बा गोटे मीडियम दुटा मीडियम को सेपरेट करवा गोटे सरफेस अच्छी बा गोटे पॉलिश सरफेस अच्छी जदि पिले ये इंसिडेंट है जब लाइट पिले मोर सेंड बैक हो गला बा सेम मीडियम को जब पलैला ये जो लाइट रो गुण आसला पिले आपको आम कौन कह पिले है रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट दैट मीन्स रिफ्लेक्शन is the property of light. Reflection is the property of light by virtue of which light is sent back to the same medium after being obstructed, okay, after being obstructed by a surface. गोटे सरफेस द्वारा जब obstruct है पिले obstruct है से जब कौन है पिले है सेम मीडियम रे जब सेंट बैक होगा सेम मीडियम रे फेरी गला ताको हम कौन कह पिले रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट रे प्रॉपर्टी को हम कौन कहबा रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट कहबा. सो इन जनरल पिले ये जो सरफेस आम जो ड्रा करछे पिले ये जो है मार्क साइड को हम कौन कहबा पिले एडा होची कोन ओपेक साइड है ओपेक साइड and this is the polished surface. In general it is reflected by polished surface like mirror, okay, and the light which comes and falls on the on the polished surface is known as incident ray, okay, which is sent back is known as reflected ray, and the perpendicular at the point of incidence is known as normal to the interface. The angle between incident ray and normal is known as angle of incidence. This is known as angle of incidence, okay, and the angle between reflected ray and the normal is known as angle of reflection, okay, this is known as angle of reflection. The angle of reflection is symbolized as r and angle of incidence is symbolized as I, okay, आपको हमें I द्वारा हमें ये करबा हला आ एटा होची कोन तमरो हला r द्वारा देखिया. and polished surface is also known as reflecting surface. आपको हमें आ कोन कहबा reflecting surface, okay पिले this is also known as reflecting surface, okay पिले बुझिला. सो तुमर रिफ्लेक्शन रो डेफिनेशन लिखिबो एंड कोटा कोन हबो सेटा तुम माने मार्क करिकना रखबो, ओके पिले. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम पढ़िया पिले लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, ओके, लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन हम पढ़िया पिले. The totally process of reflection is covered by two laws of reflection. जिते पिले हमरो रिफ्लेक्शन अच्छे पिले हला all type of reflection is governed by two laws, okay, they are known as laws of reflection. So let us discuss the first law first and then second law. First law states that the incident ray, okay, the reflected ray and the normal and normal to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence. Okay, very important thing, at the point of incidence. All lies in one plane, and that plane is perpendicular, and that plane is perpendicular to the reflecting surface. ओके ये जो पे इंसिडेंस रे हला रिफ्लेक्टेड रे एंड नॉर्मल सब जगह पे गोटे प्लेन रहा सच दैट प्लेन इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस ये जो रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस अच्छी यहाँ सहित ये तीन टा जगह कौन हम पे परपेंडिकुलर होना रहा टिके खेल तुम लगे मनकर यहाँ हूँ रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस मु हाथ देखी पे परपेंडिकुलर करना एपटू आसला पे इंसिडेंस रे ये आसला नॉर्मल आ एपट रहीगला कौन तुम है रिफ्लेक्टिंग सॉरी पे तुम रिफ्लेक्टेड रे सो यही तीन टा जाक निहाती भाव जो प्लेन टा कंटेन करुच्ची कौन इंसिडेंट रे नॉर्मल एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड रे all three rays are contained in one plane and this plane actually perpendicular to the reflecting surface a plane ta pile asutho perpendicular okay pile this is the first law of reflection. Now let us discuss the second law which is the most easiest law, okay, and that is known as our second law of reflection. And second law states that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Always play जेकोसी मुहूर्त भी जिते देख पे जो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस एंड एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन पे एनी सरफेस होता पे से गोटे पॉइंट रे सब बेले पे कौन हम ना पे सीटा समान रही दैट इज एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस आई इज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन आर. दिस इज द सेकेंड लॉ. ओके प्ले फर्स्ट लॉ एंड सेकेंड लॉ. ओके प्ले आज वीडियो ये था पे बेस लंग हो जाऊँगी. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. नेक्स्ट क्लास टाइम बेसी इंपोर्टेंट जिन जगह आम स्पेरिकल मिरर विषय डायरेक्टली डिस्कस करवा. ओके थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग.